Hi, this is Colin with Maker Farm. In this video we're going to show you how to install the V motors for your i3V Prusa that uses the aluminum extrusion. To do this, first make sure you pull up the V motor page on your i3 build guide. Get everything that you need there. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get a motor. You're going to have the wires going out to the outside of the machine. If I have them pointing this way, they're going to get pinched in the frame, so I want them pointing out. Just go ahead and put it under the bracket here. You're going to get 3 or 4 of the M3 10mm long bolts. You may have to lift your X assembly up to go ahead and get those back 2 bolts in place. And get those all tightened down. Okay, the next thing you're going to grab is one of the M5 threaded rods that came in your kit. Also go ahead and get an M5 nut, just the regular ones, don't get the lock nuts. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this threaded rod, we're going to put it in this hole, and then down below we're going to start getting that onto the M5 nut. And just keep turning it until we get that nut up here a ways. Enough so that you can then push that nut up into that nut trap. Okay, the next thing we're going to get is get some of the clear tubing, and we're going to push that clear tubing down onto the shaft of that motor, and then you can keep turning this threaded rod until it gets aligned with that tubing. You can either just keep twisting the threaded rod and it will work its way down in there, or you may be able to just push them down. Since I've already got that nut up in the nut trap though, I'm just going to keep twisting and twisting it. It may take a bit of effort to get it down in there, but once it is, it will be locked into the nut trap up here, and it will be also connected to your motor. That one's not touching, the 2 shafts aren't touching. I usually do have them touch. Then you can also see the nut is up there in the nut trap. Then go ahead, do that for the other side as well. Get all of that installed, and then we'll be ready to go on to the next step. Make sure to refer to your build guide if you have any questions, or you can also contact us using the contact section on the i3 build guide. Thanks.